What's up, everybody? It's Mo again with QC Millennial Investments, and I hope you enjoyed your weekend. But right now, I thought it was very important that I come to you with 5 must-watch IPOs for 2021. And if you did not get to check out the last videos, I will put the link down below in the description. The top 4 penny stocks and some urgent Bitcoin news that you should tune into. But now, let's get started. First up on my list, we have Instacart. Instacart is on my must-watch list of IPOs because Mr. Nick Giovanni. And who is that, you ask? Mr. Nick Giovanni was the lead Goldman Sachs internet banker, and he is now the next CFO of Instacart. Mr. Nick Giovanni has served as a lead advisor on some of the hottest tech deals already, including 2 huge IPOs last year, Airbnb and DoorDash. Not only that, Instacart has an IPO valuation of $30 billion. With Instacart being the #1 grocery delivery service in America right now, and not only that, they have huge deals coming out with Best Buy and Sephora. I can only see this company growing on a year-over-year basis. And that is why it's on my must-watch list for IPOs in 2021. Next up, we have Roblox. Roblox had an IPO initially scheduled for 2020, but moved it to 2021 after they saw the success with Airbnb and DoorDash's IPOs last year. Roblox allows millions of user-created video games for free, or you can make new games using the tools the company created on their platform. They even have their own currency called Robux. And from my personal experience, and from what I hear, kids are driving their parents crazy right now over Robux. So let's dive in deeper to the company's mission, why it was created, and how it's created, and why the 13.5 million active daily users love Roblox. Stay tuned.
1989 with this simple block. We programmed a 2D simulated physics lab called Interactive Physics, which would later go on to influence our approach to building the groundwork for Roblox. Students across the world used interactive physics to see how 2 cars would crash or build destructible houses. It was astonishing to see what these kids and teens were designing, and I wanted to replicate that capability on a much grander scale. So with my co-founder Eric, we began building the core components that would become the basis for our imagination platform. Roblox quickly began bringing the world together through the power of play, harnessing players and creators of different ages and backgrounds from all around the world, connected by shared experiences. From China to Brazil to America, the world began to create as one. Friendships were built, and a new form of entertainment was born. The Roblox world is growing faster than ever before. Creators are creating new genres, deeper narratives, and more diverse experiences that are opening up entertainment paths into worlds of play never thought possible. We're enabling the creation of more human forms that allow for greater self-expression, unleashing the limits of the imagination to enable anyone to be who they want to be. We're building a platform for a new generation, one that enables people to create and share experiences through play. Together, we are the architects of play.
With Roblox's IPO valued at more than $4 billion and their daily active users only continue to grow, this is why it's on my list of IPOs to watch this year. Next up on the list, we have Robinhood. Robinhood might be a company that a lot of you are familiar with, but if not, Robinhood is a stock trading app that has 0 commission fees and is very popular amongst us millennials. Robinhood has over 13 million active users and counting as of right now. As a lot of you might know, Robinhood has received major backlash over GameStop trading frenzy, so we will see what happens with their IPO plans. It has given us a lot of speculation that they might put it on hold, but we do not know anything as of this moment. Their IPO is valued at $20 billion plus, and I will keep you updated on all information related to Robinhood's IPO release. And now for the 4th company on my must-watch list for IPOs, Coinbase. As cryptocurrency is becoming very hot and becoming very popular amongst traders and investors, Coinbase is the US leading crypto exchange. They have over 35 million users, 25 billion in assets, and total crypto trading value exceeding over $320 billion. As some of you may have seen in my last video, Urgent Bitcoin News, institutions are starting to open their eyes to all cryptocurrencies. And as this happens, the market cap for all cryptocurrencies will only grow. Coinbase has an IPO valuation already of $100 billion plus. That is why I will keep my eye out for Coinbase. Next up, we have Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors will be going public via SPAC, ticker symbol CCIV. And this will all be announced tomorrow morning. But as rumors came out about a month ago, ticker symbol CCIV has been on a tear, up over 229% in the past month. Lucid Motors looks to become Tesla's #1 competitor. Their CEO is former Tesla chief engineer Peter Rawlinson. Now let's take a deep look into Lucid Motors and their main project right now.
Well, first of all, a warm welcome to everyone joining us here in Lucid's headquarters in the heart of Silicon Valley, California. It's a really thrilling day for me to present the company and our first product, Lucid Air. When I joined the company 7 years ago, I did so with a clear mission, and that mission was to take the electric car to the next level. I felt that there was so much more potential in electrification, which was yet unfulfilled. And we're really close now to fulfilling that mission with the launch of Lucid Air, which is going into production in our plant in Arizona, spring 21. What really excites me today is that we'll, for the first time, show the whole lot collectively. We'll see the fusion of the art and the science, the technology, all coming together in an incredible product, which will offer the customer so much more: luxury and comfort, incredible performance, unrivaled range, so much space, just the volume of the frunk. And the HMI, it's a real beautiful piece of art, but the technology that underpins it is just out of this world. And what excites me is our technology is designed in such a way that it's truly mass producible. A battery pack, our motors, our inverters are designed for mass production. And that means that we can cascade this technology down through price ranges, and the man in the street will benefit. But ultimately, all mankind will benefit because we all breathe this air. This is truly a team sport. It's not me, it's the 1,001 people behind me. My role is to catalyze all that brain power, fuse it together, and create a methodology and a steely determination that we're going to do this.
After the merger, they will have a combined entity value of over $15 billion. And this is the last IPO on my must-watch list for 2021. And as always, thank you for joining QC Millennial Investment. And if you like the content that you saw today, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for joining.